So I've put some JB Weld on this little guy, if you can see right here, because it snapped off and it's cured for the past 16 hours. I mean, I think it's going to be good. So we'll see. Alright guys, I put on the other side panel, so everything is looking good. Slowly putting things back together, got the seat going back on, then we're going to put the top back on somehow. Oh guys, and pro tip, what I did is I JB welded the little bumpers to here. So that cured for 14, 16 hours last night too, which are basically these guys. Pop right off, put them on that sucker, boom. So hopefully this will now hit and run into this and it won't overextend and like wreck anything on the battery cover or anything like that. But that's what we got going on today, guys. It is alive. Got it kind of cleaned down, washed up a little, not all the way, but got the seat back on, got the side panels back on, and got the cover finally back on this thing. So now it looks like the bike that it used to.